Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be working on the El Camino. I need to change the brake booster on it because the brakes are hard. They stop, but when you press it, the pedal is really hard. So I'm gonna change the brake booster, so let's get started. What I've been hesitating to do with this car, it's not even hesitating, just didn't want to do it, is I have to replace this brake booster. And because the brakes is really hard to press. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that today and get it out of the way. And that's the last little thing that I need to do with this car. So I need to go ahead and get this replaced and I'll be done with this car for now. Let me get started. Looks like there's only 2 bolts out here. One right there and that one right there to take the master cylinder off. And there should be 4 bolts and a cotter pin on the inside. Let's take a look on the inside and see how easy it is to get to those. Only thing about the brake booster is you gotta go all the way up under the dash to get to it. This has a cover on it. I'm gonna take this cover off. Oh, it's a little bolt right here, a bolt right there, a bolt back there. Alright, so it looks like it's going to be 3 bolts for me to get to it, so let me go ahead and get to it. It should be 4 bolts in the brake booster and a cotter pin, like I said before, that's holding the brake, that's going to the brake pedal. So I'm going to get started. Okay, I got some light up under here now and I removed the cover, but you can see the bolts up here. Let me position the camera, see how I can position it. Alright, let's see here. Alright, so it's hard to get the camera angle in there, so it's 4 bolts in there right on above the steering column. So let me go ahead and take them out. Should be 5/8. Alright, got the master cylinder loose. And it's just those 2 bolts. And I'm getting ready to work on the 4 bolts on the inside. Okay, so I got all the bolts out of the booster. That's up under the dash. So now the booster should slide out. The rod connected back to the pedal. I guess they've been made it for so long they don't want to be apart. Alright, so booster is out. And I'm about to put the other booster in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and put them beside each other to compare, and I'll go ahead and slide it in and I'll come back to the video. Okay, so they seem to be the same. This one has new bolts and this actual plug is built into this one, so that's a good thing. All right, it has new bolts on the front and the back, so let me go ahead and get this in there. Should be a pretty easy install. Okay, so the new booster slides right into place, and I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it from the inside and connect the pedal back up, and then I'll come back out here and connect the things on the outside. Okay, got the booster attached to the inside, and now I'm just getting ready to take this plastic piece off and connect it from the outside. All right, so just gonna go ahead and get these tightened up and should be good to go. Okay, so you saw I got the brake booster changed out in the El Camino. It wasn't that hard. It's just some of the bolts, especially the top bolts on the inside of the car, is kind of far up in the dash and it's hard to see. Can't really get light in there, can't really get many tools in there. But I figured it out and I got it done. So in the next El Camino video, I'm gonna be trying to get it tuned up and fixing some of the other little stuff so I can drive it. And just like I said before, the goal of that car is, you know, for me to sell it. And I think if I drive it more and get it out there, then people will see it and they'll probably sell faster. So, but between that and the Maverick project, I just don't really have a lot of time to be working on stuff, you know, and of course, me going to work every day. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.